Windships and Waterfalls. Before speech was spark, before light was dark, after life was death, after death was life. Birth was born in the birth of time, before the humming of bees, in the splashing of water fleas, between the cypress knees, in the scent of solitude which hung in the trees, within petrified mud, moved the still life, undreamt, unprescribed, unpainted, in the eyes of demons darkness fainted, the basal boom of the bellow of fellow beasts, an evolution of orientation to the tales of the East. What waters wind-blown have sated, call not that unsainted. Blue blood of that primeval crab, with rowan leaves sprinkled, tainted, laying upon that bleached bone sand, the invisible fingers of the unseen hand, stirring an epiphany in the key of Eureka, a liquid not found in any apotheca. Long live the Lord of the Waterfall, one breath in 4 seasons, a spirit song for one and all. Ishi, written in Erkner, Germany, the 12th month, 31st day, 2001.